Hi guys and welcome back to my channel Falak's Coding World. So today we are going to make this game. I'll show you how it works. When you click on the green flag, wherever we point our mouse pointer, it goes towards the mouse pointer like this. These white arrows speed up and whenever it touches the walls, it breaks. And whenever we reach the island, we win the game. Like this. So here this is a moving barrier and I reached the island and yeah, it's win. So let's begin. First of all, open this link which I have shared in the description box below. So after you open this, remix this. Once it is remixed, rename it to boat race. Now we'll start editing. We are going to make this game in a few steps. Step 1, controlling the boat. Step 2, crashing code. Step 3, adding the timer. Step 4, adding obstacles and power up. Step 5, winning. Step 1, controlling the boat. So for this, first we'll take a when green flag clicked blocks. Then we'll go to motions and take a go to block. It has to go to -90 and -150. Then take a forever block from the control section. Inside this block, put a point towards mouse pointer block. Towards mouse pointer. Then put a move one step block. So it will move in whichever direction the mouse pointer is. But as you can see, when it reaches the mouse pointer, it starts glitching. So we'll have to put some code for it. So we'll go to the operator section and take a more than block and keep it over here. Keep it aside. Then go to the event control section and then take a if block. Put this operator inside it. Now go to the sensing section and take a distance to block and keep it over here. If distance to mouse pointer more than 5, then only it will run. So set aside this code, keep this inside and take this code and put it inside it. So now when it reaches the mouse pointer, it stops. It moves only when the mouse pointer is away from it. Step 2, crashing code. Now go to the costume section and duplicate this normal bow. Change this normal to hit. Now select pieces of boat and turn them and move them around. Like this, so the boat looks broken. So now the boat looks broken. Now go to the coding section and add a part of this code. Originally we want it to be normal. Now put code. If touching the brown part. So go to sensing and take this touching color. Then take this and take a pick color block and select this color. So if touching color brown, then it has to change its costume to hid. So switch costume to hid. Say no for 2 seconds. Then it has to switch its costume back to normal. So switch costume to normal. Then it has to go to its original position. So go to -190 and -150. So now originally it has to be the normal costume. When we start the game and by mistakenly touch over here, it will say no and then restart to its original position. But sometimes we by mistakenly switch over to hit at the starting. So let's make it switch to normal at the starting. Step 3. Adding a timer. For this, go to the variable section and create a variable timer. Now add this code. When the green flag click, set timer to 0. Then add a forever block. Inside this forever block, add a wait block and change 1 to 0.1. Then go to variables and change timer by. Here also change 1 to 0.1. So now whenever we move, the timer is getting more and more, so the game is not too easy and it records the time, how much time we take to reach the island. Step 4. Adding obstacles and power-ups. Now for this we'll go to the backdrop section, and here also we'll go to the backdrop section and then take a paintbrush and set its color to white. Now we'll draw some arrows on the map like this. Now that we have added all the arrows, we need to code the boat to move faster when it touches the arrow. So go to if control section and take an if then block. Then go to the sensing section and take touching color block and change this color to white. Now go to the motion section and take a move block and change 10 to 3. So whenever it touches this arrow, it will move a little faster. Let's see if it does. Yes, it is speeding up. Now go to paint a sprite option and select the rectangle sprite. Take no outline and take a fill. Make it brown, the same color as this. Once this is done, go to the code section. Take a when green flag click block and then take a forever block. Then in the motion section, take turn right by 15 degrees block. Instead of 15, you can write 5 or you can write 2 or 3. So right now I'll using 2. If you want, you can even do 1. Now go to the board and we'll add one more code. Go to the control section and take another if then block. Again put a touching color block inside it. This time pick the color of the island. And then go to the look section and make it say yay for 1 second. Yay for 1 second. And then we wanted to stop all. So go to the control section and take a stop all block. Now let's see if it works. So it is working. I'll show you when it reaches the end. So now I have almost reached the end. And now I am about to reach the island and it says yay and then stops everything. So the code is working. Bye guys. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye.